In this video, we're going to have a look at algebra notation and substitution. In English, we have nouns and then pronouns which can function as a noun. In mathematics, we have numerals or numbers and pronumerals, which are symbols or letters that can represent numbers. When multiplying with pronumerals, we omit the multiplication sign. For example, 5 times x would be written as 5x, omitting the multiplication sign, or a times b would be written as ab. But when we have 0 times x, we would simply just write 0, or 1 times x, we would just write as x, omitting the 1. When dividing with pronumerals, we write as fractions. For example, x divided by 5 would be written as x over 5, or a divided by b would be written as a over b. When multiplying the same pronumerals, we use powers. For example, x times x would be written as x squared, or a times a times a would be written as a cubed with a power of 3. If we had a pronumeral x to the power of 1, we would simply just write x. Substitution involves giving values to pronumerals. We call this evaluating an expression. Here, a equals 2, b equals -3, and c equals -5. To evaluate the expression 3a plus b, we substitute the value of a and b into the expression. Here, a is 2 and b is -3. Now we will evaluate the expression. 3 times 2 is 6, plus -3 is the same as taking away 3, and we have our final answer of 3. Here's an expression a squared minus c, a being 2 and c being -5. Now we'll evaluate the expression. 2 squared is 4, taking away -5 is the same as adding 5, and we get a final answer of 9. And finally, b plus c over a, substituting -3 in for b, plus -5 for c, over a being 2. -3 plus -5 is -8 over 2, which finishes as -4. This process of substitution is evaluating the expression.